In this video, I'll show you how to set up cash on delivery COD as a payment method on your Shopify store, so your customers can pay when they receive their orders. First, go to your Shopify admin dashboard. Then click on Settings at the bottom left corner. Next, select Payments to access the payment settings. Scroll down to the Manual Payment Method section and click Cash on Delivery to add it as a payment option. You can now customize the cash on delivery message that will be shown to your customers. This message will appear when they select COD as their payment option during checkout and after their order is successfully placed. Once you've customized the message, click on Activate Cash on Delivery to enable the payment method. Now, Cash on Delivery is successfully activated on your Shopify store. Now let's test it. I'll go to my store homepage, add a product to the cart, and proceed to checkout. At checkout, I'll fill in the information as a customer and select Cash on Delivery as the payment method. Once the order is successfully placed, you'll see the confirmation screen showing that Cash on Delivery has been selected. And that's how you set up Cash on Delivery on Shopify. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more Shopify tips.